Hello everyone, welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. As we continue decorating for the holiday season, I want to encourage you to stay encouraged. Go ahead, add some lights, add some garland, add some florals. Do whatever it takes to lift your spirits in your decorations. That is a great anxiety reducer. Just decorating and changing the environment away from what you may be feeling mentally. Now, it works for me, and I pray that it works for you. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into another video. I think this time around, we'll just go right into the dining room.
Well, to get started, let me share with you what I am connected to in this video. Bree's Project Book, Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis, Kenya's Decor Corner, and Wani's House. They are hosting their annual Christmas Holiday Mix. It's a collaboration, and each week they have a specific topic. This past week, it had to do with crafting for the holidays. Now, with shipping being the way it is during a pandemic, there's nothing I can do about the things that I ordered for the foyer. So let's just leap into the dining room. So, in keeping with this collaboration, I am just going to do a simple tablescape. Some things may be sort of crafty, but basically it's maneuvering through the tablescape using existing items and just being a little creative. So, let's go ahead and get started with the centerpiece. So what I decided to do was to take a mirrored tray that I was going to put into the attic. It's normally on the coffee table. And here I have some of that faux snow that I purchased from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. I recycle it all the time. You just put it back in a Ziploc bag and pull it out again. It doesn't yellow or anything like that. It's just tiny pieces of plastic. So then I placed it in the tray, and then this sleigh that I purchased on clearance from some store that I cannot recall at this time. And I just took an assortment of faux greenery and Christmas ornament in white just to look like snowballs. I took some of the fake snow from the bottom of the tray and just sprinkled it gently on top of the sleigh and some of the ornaments on top of the snow. And voila, a beautiful centerpiece. The beaded charger is from eFlavor Mart. I think they're around $35 for like 6 of them. They are not glass, they are plastic. The gold one is from Hobby Lobby, and they were like $1.99 each. The plates, I already had existing white plates, everyday plates. The flatware is from Walmart. I think it's a 16-piece set that's for 4 place settings, and it's $29.99. I have it in gold, but I also have it in copper. So they have other colors like black, and they have an ombre design. You can order it online to be safe. Order it online. I purchased a lot of my napkins from Kroger Superstore, where they have cookware, home decor, all kinds of dish towels, and just a variety of things, mixers, everything you can think of for the home and kitchen especially. So that's where I purchased these from a couple of years ago. Simple square 4/4 fold, and then just pull it through the napkin ring. And of course, napkin ring, I think that's Pure One from a couple of years ago. I decided a little bit later that I wanted to add a pop of color, so I did use some of the branches that I'd gotten from Lowe's. As you guys know, Lowe's, I think Home Depot does this as well. They take the branches that fall off of the Christmas trees and they put them in this crate, and you can just go over and get them as many as you want. So I have a little container here, a little bucket. So I'm just going to clip off a few branches and tuck it into the napkin. That's it. I didn't want to have any glitter on the plates, and I think this is perfect. It just adds that natural element. I love it, love it, love it. And then later I decided to add a pop of color, so I'm adding this gorgeous blue ribbon that I found at a boutique not too long ago. Very inexpensive. Love it. Please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you as a part of the family and team here at Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I know you're watching, but you're not subscribing. Come on, click that button and ring the bell to be notified when I have uploaded the very next video. To use these branches, just gently allow the water in the sink to run over them and let them air dry. Then you want to place them in a container so that they will stay moist and green until you're ready to use them on your place settings. And as you can see here, I had them placed in a small glass container, and when I'm ready to put them into the napkin ring, all I have to do is press them dry with a paper towel and then stick them in the napkin ring. They'll last you a very long time, and the dining room smells wonderful. You think I had a tree in there. And by the way, the 2-cone trees, I love them. I've never used them before. I purchased them about 3 years ago on clearance from At Home for 90% off. I think I paid like $4 or $3 for one or the other. But yeah, At Home clearance, 90% off after the holidays. Well, that's it for me, guys. The tablescape is done. I'm going to move on to the next item on my list. Big thanks to Bree, Kenya, Kim, and Wani for hosting their annual Christmas Holiday Mix collaboration. Guys, there's many more to come, so please stay tuned. I'm going to have the link to their playlist for this collaboration as well as their individual channel links in the description box of this video. Please go over and check them out and see what other fabulous collaborations they are working on. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay in prayer, stay safe, please wear a mask, and stay creative. Until the next video, Merry Christmas.